Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am so excited, and you should be too, because I'm teaching you how to make hot chocolate cookie cups. So let's just get to it. First, we're going to spray our muffin tins. Moving on to the dough. First, we're going to cream together our softened butter, sugar, and some brown sugar. Now we're going to add a little bit of vanilla and 1 egg. Mix. Now we're going to sift in some flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, mix. Stir it out by hand so you don't get a mess. Once everything's combined, it should look something like this. Bring back the pan. We're going to put in a scoop of dough, and we're going to press it around the sides. Now time to go in the oven. Moving on to the ganache. To the chocolate chips, we're going to pour over some hot, heavy cream. Now we're going to whisk it up. Now we're going to bring back the cookies, and we're going to pour just a little bit of ganache in the center. We're going to top them with a couple of marshmallows. We're going to let this sit for about 1 hour. So for the handle part, we're going to be using a candy cane, but chopping off the longer side. Now I'm going to dip the peppermint in the melted chocolate and stick it to the very side. Okay, it's been a long day, so let's try it. It looks so cute. Let's have a bite. So good and so creative. See you guys next time.